Welcome to Say What Official. Today we've cooked up a fun challenge. Can you guess the food from just 2 emojis? Some are easy, some are tricky, but all are deliciously fun. Let's get started.
Can you recognize this food?
Yes, salted pretzel.
All right, guess time. What food do these emojis make?
That's pork sausage.
Take a good look. What's the food here?
Correct, chicken noodles.
Can you crack this food emoji puzzle?
You got it, potato dumpling.
Here's a tasty one. What's the food?
Right, fish stew.
Put the pieces together. What food is hiding in these emojis?
That's beef pizza.
Okay, foodie, what's your guess for this one?
Yes, egg sandwich.
Here's your next challenge. Can you name this food?
You got it, shrimp fry.
Here comes the next food riddle. What's your guess?
Correct, mutton curry.
Emoji clue time? What food are we looking at?
That's duck salad.
Guess the food? What do you think it is?
Yes, snail pasta.
Think carefully. Which food do these emojis spell out?
You got it, peanut shake.
All right, your turn. What's the food?
Correct, mango ice cream.
Here comes a tricky one. Can you guess the food?
Yes, lemon cake.
What food name do you see?
That's crab dumpling.
Looks yummy. But what's the food?
You got it, pork soup.
Time to solve another. Which food is this?
Correct, meat sandwich.
Are you ready for this one? Guess the food.
Yes, strawberry milkshake.
2 emojis, 1 answer. What's the food?
That's kiwi cake.
Can you put it together? What food is it?
You got it, banana cookie.
Can you recognize this food?
Correct, carrot salad.
All right, guess time. What food do these emojis make?
Yes, beef taco.
Take a good look. What's the food here?
That's squid pizza.
Can you crack this food emoji puzzle?
You got it, coconut cookie.
Here's a tasty one. What's the food?
Correct, chicken dumpling.
Put the pieces together. What food is hiding in these emojis?
Yes, potato soup.
Okay, foodie, what's your guess for this one?
That's cheese bread.
Here's your next challenge. Can you name this food?
You got it, cow cheese.
Here comes the next food riddle. What's your guess?
Correct, swan curry.
Emoji clue time? What food are we looking at?
Yes, apple pie.
Guess the food? What do you think it is?
That's rabbit salad.
Think carefully. Which food do these emojis spell out?
You got it, peach smoothie.
All right, your turn. What's the food?
Correct, fish taco.
Here comes a tricky one. Can you guess the food?
Yes, cherry juice.
Spot the clue. What food name do you see?
That's popcorn.
Looks yummy. But what's the food?
You got it, peanut chocolate.
Time to solve another. Which food is this?
Correct, veggie wrap.
Are you ready for this one? Guess the food.
Yes, crab pasta.
2 emojis, 1 answer. What's the food?
That's venison roast.
Can you put it together? What food is it?
And finally, pineapple pizza.
Please subscribe and we will see you next time. Take care.